Join me as I recount my unforgettable adult-only cruise on Virgin Voyages Scarlett Lady, sailing from Miami to the stunning shores of Cozumel and the breathtaking island of Bimini. But first, let me tell you why I was a bit hesitant to take this cruise. As a 55-plus traveler, I was a little nervous about this voyage. I had heard that Virgin Voyages was a bit risque, and I wasn't sure if it would be the right fit for me. More about that later. But what I found was an experience that was not only exciting, but also incredibly comfortable and luxurious. Welcome aboard the Scarlett Lady Virgin Voyages flagship vessel. This isn't just any cruise, it's an all-adult, all-inclusive experience that redefines what it means to travel by sea. Dining on the Scarlett Lady was a culinary adventure. With over 20 unique eateries, I savored flavors from around the world. Indulging in Michelin star quality meals from sizzling steaks to mouth-watering sushi was all included in the fare. And I have to say, the food was the best I've ever had on any cruise. The night came alive on the Scarlett Lady, from dancing the night away at our top deck parties, enjoying live performances, to unwinding with a cocktail in one of the chic bars. There was always something happening to keep the excitement going. Whether seeking relaxation or adventure, the Scarlett Lady had it all. I pampered myself at the world-class spa, took part in dynamic fitness classes, and soaked up the sun by the pool. Every moment on the Scarlett Lady was tailored to my desires. And then we arrived at Cozumel, a paradise of turquoise waters and vibrant marine life. Diving into crystal clear waters, exploring ancient Mayan ruins, and relaxing on pristine beaches, the beauty of Cozumel left me breathless. This was more than just a vacation. It was a journey of discovery, luxury, and unforgettable memories. Next, we sailed to Bimini. This hidden gem in the Bahamas, with its serene beaches, vibrant marine life, and rich culture, Bimini was a dream come true. Snorkeling in the azure waters and exploring the island were highlights of this incredible journey. There was one spot on the ship that became my personal favorite. Every afternoon, we made our way to the dockhouse on the stern. With a refreshing drink in hand, I indulged in delicious steak pita bites and skewer shrimp while watching the wake. It was the most relaxing and delightful part of the day, a perfect way to unwind and take in the stunning views. But what about those risque shows I was worried about? Yes, there are some performances that push the envelope, but there's a variety to choose from. You can always find something that suits your comfort level. Whether you enjoy thrilling entertainment or prefer a more laid-back evening, the Scarlett Lady has it all. And before we wrap up, let's not forget the luxurious staterooms and amenities that make the Scarlett Lady truly feel like a floating paradise. From plush bedding to your very own sea terrace, every detail is designed to pamper you. The rain shower in the bathroom, the customizable mood lighting, and the in-room tablet that controls everything from the lights to the temperature, all add up to an experience of unparalleled comfort and sophistication. Whether you're lounging in your suite or exploring the ship's many features, luxury is at your fingertips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Share this video with fellow travelers and let us know what you're most excited about experiencing on the Scarlett Lady. What are your thoughts about Virgin Voyages? What would you be most excited to experience? Leave a comment. We would really like to know your thoughts. For more information and to book your unforgettable Virgin Voyages experience, visit infinityfunandtravel.com. Ready to set sail on your own Virgin Voyages adventure? Contact Infinity Fun and Travel today for more information. Our team is here to make your dream cruise a reality.